Hello and welcome back to Busy Bee's Recipes. I'm Milo Matera and today I'm going to be making my famous bruschetta recipe. It is fun for every little appetizer you're gonna make, and it's also good for little short dinner meals. Well, let's get into it. This is gonna be a great bruschetta. So you're just gonna start with some easy cherry tomatoes, and you're gonna wash them in some water. You're just gonna slosh them around, and then you're basically just gonna cut them in some fourths. So just 4 little squares of a tomato, and then you're gonna pop them into a little small bowl. Next step, you're gonna grab 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and then you're gonna roughly chop them. And then you're gonna throw them into the bowl. Next step, you're gonna grab some fresh basil leaves, and then you're just gonna cut them. You don't even have to cut them perfectly, it's just kind of rip them up, and then you're gonna toss them into the bowl. Next step, you're gonna get some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some salt and pepper. You're gonna lightly drizzle some balsamic vinegar, and then you can eyeball the olive oil. And then you're just gonna have a few cranks of salt and pepper. And now, my favorite part, we're moving on to the bread. We are going to cut it into 1 centimeter pieces, and then we're gonna brush it with some olive oil. And then you're gonna lightly toast it. If you don't have a toaster oven, you can either use an oven or a grill, but make sure you only lightly toast. And now, the big finish. We are going to take our toast out of the oven and lay it on a nice pretty plate. And then we're gonna mix the bruschetta together, and then just take a spoon and just scoop some out and put it on the piece of toast. No matter how big it is, just kind of do that size. And then if you want, you can get some of the juice from the bottom and you can kind of drizzle it over it. Make sure not to put too much because it is very potent. It is very delicious. Okay now guys, it is time to try it out. Oh, so good. Oh, subscribe to Michael Taylor's channel. Thank you for watching Busy Bee's cooking video. Oh, good. Thank you, best one.